This tiny box claims to hold one of the smartest health trackers on the planet, the Nova R Smart Ring. Today, we're unboxing it, testing it, and seeing if it really lives up to all that hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. If you're new here, please subscribe. And today we're diving into something that promises smartwatch level tracking in a form that weighs just 3 grams. The packaging is minimal and premium. Clean, matte finish, simple logo, no unnecessary fluff. Inside, we get the Nova R Ring itself, a wireless charging dock, a USB-C cable, a quick start guide, and an instruction manual. The first impression? Super sleek. It's made from titanium alloy with a smooth matte coating that feels durable yet feather light. You can instantly tell it's built for everyday comfort. Setting it up is straightforward. Download the Nova Ring app, pair via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. The Ring starts collecting data within minutes. The companion app is clean and data-rich. You can view heart rate, sleep stages, stress levels, and even oxygen saturation in real time. Now, let's talk features, because this little ring is packed with sensors. Activity tracking, every step, every run, automatically detected. Plus, it supports 128 sports modes. Sleep tracking, monitors light, deep, and REM stages and gives you a daily sleep score. Heart rate and blood oxygen, tracks your BPM and SpO2 levels around the clock. AI Health Insights. The Nova Smart AI doesn't just record data, it interprets it. It learns your habits, spots irregularities, and even gives you post-run recovery advice. Meditation and daily tags. You can log your mood, food, and thoughts, while guided meditations help reduce stress. I've been using the Nova R for a week, and here's what stood out. First, the comfort. You literally forget it's there. It's ultra-light, low profile, and doesn't get in the way whether you're typing, running, or sleeping. Second, the accuracy. Compared to my smartwatch, the heart rate and sleep data were almost identical, which is impressive for something this small. And third, the battery. I easily got 6 days of use, and it fully charges in just about an hour. Pros and cons. Here's my quick breakdown. Pros: premium titanium build, only 3 grams. Accurate sensors and 5 ATM waterproof. IA-driven health insights. 4 to 7 days battery life. 128 sports modes. Comfortable for 24/7 wear. Cons: app could offer more customization. Gesture control features are still limited. No display, everything depends on the app. So, should you buy the Nova Smart Ring? If you're tired of bulky wristbands and want something subtle, stylish, and surprisingly smart, absolutely. It's one of the most comfortable and intelligent wearables I've tested this year. That's it for today's unboxing and review. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you switch from a smartwatch to a smart ring? If you're interested, I leave link in description below. Check for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dive reviews. See you in the next one.